Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about technologies in sculpting surgery. Now, we've come a long way in body sculpting. When we go back 2 decades ago, we were removing chunks of fat from the body, where it was from the abdomen or the thighs or the chest or whichever part of the body, chunks were being removed. And the patients were kind of happy because the fat was being removed, but it really gave no contouring. Subsequently came other technologies like ultrasound assisted liposuction. The technology was good, but it cost a lot of heating, and there were a lot of complications seen. And today, the state of the art in body sculpting is the Embrace RF right in front of you. This is the Inmode device, the Embrace radiofrequency device, which basically delivers radiofrequency energy into the body, and this radiofrequency is connected to heat energy, and then the heat energy works in different ways to either causing fat liquefaction or skin tightening, or causes a lot of other things which we desire to have within the body. Now I'll tell you the machine. It comes with different probes. Now this is the BodyTite probe, which we plastic surgeons use for body sculpting whichever part of the body we wish to shape up. Now this is initially what we do is we inject liquefying material to break down the fat and to soften it up, and then this particular device is actually introduced, making small puncture marks, and wherever we want shaping, we deliver the energy into the body. And let's say we want a lot of skin retraction over here, we deliver significant amount of energies over here and over here and over here. So this is the BodyTite probe, which is used for sculpting the body, the flanks, and even the back and the chest, and probably for the arms. Now this is one such probe. Now you have probes for different areas of the body, and now this is what you have for the face. Now in the face, you may have a person who is bothered about the folds and probably the flabbiness in the cheek area. So this is a device which can be introduced, and with this you can actually liquefy or melt the fat in the cheek or the nasolabial area, thereby making this less prominent. So you not only have the probes for the face, but you also have the probes for the neck. Now this is another thing which is called the NeckTite, and you can introduce this through a tiny incision over here, and you can pass the energy wherever you want. Especially you want to get rid of the fat in the submental region or just below the chin, and it's very good for that. And finally you have what's called as the AccuTite probe, very tiny probe. A lot of our patients, they come for the bulges under the eyes, young patients. So you cannot really offer them a blepharoplasty or open surgery at such a young age. So here you have a minimally invasive technique where we make tiny puncture marks, and this goes inside and it delivers the energy. Now I'll talk about the safety of this particular machine. Now the beauty of this machine is it's got temperature the thermistors which are there in the external electrode as well as in the internal electrode. So this records the temperature outside as well as the inside. So you can actually preset those temperatures in this monitor over here. You can set the temperature, external temperature of up to around 65 to 68 degrees centigrade, and internal you can go up to 38 to 40 or even up to 42. So this is a great advantage. So how does this help? It doesn't cause excessive heating in the on the skin or in the tissue. So there's no question of any burns. So it's absolutely safe. It helps you in delivering the heat energy, helps you in having that liquefaction of the fat, and helps you in heating the fibroseptal network which you want for the skin to retract, and all this in very, very safe parameters. So that is why the radio frequency assisted device is very handy for a plastic surgeon, especially who is wanting to do a lot of six-pack surgery or body contouring surgery, especially in mommy makeovers, people who want to look at their gorgeous best before their actually pregnancy began, or even young lads who actually want to have the six-pack. So this is a device which is fabulous, and we're using it frequently for our patients. So to summarize, the radio frequency technology is here to stay, and because of its safety, it can be very easily used in our patients to achieve the end results of very sculpted bodies and faces. So we use it routinely for our patients who want sculpted chiseled faces, who want sculpted pecs, sculpted abdomens, and the bodies. So a wonderful device for body sculpting.